In this video I'm gonna talk about the facts behind the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for weight loss. I'll talk about what it is and how it works, and how much it costs. So watch till the end before you buy this product, and for more information about it, refer to the link in the description. So, first, what is Okinawa, and how does it work? Uncontrollable weight gain has become one of the most common problems that men and women face all around the world, but especially in the United States. Unhealthy metabolism and a fast-paced lifestyle are the major reasons for this pandemic. That's why a high-quality supplement that boosts metabolism is crucial for staying healthy. The secret recipe used in the making of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is inspired by the Japanese folks, especially from the Okinawa region. Okinawan people are known for their well-shaped bodies and low obesity cases. This is possible only because the Japanese make use of a healthy blend of herbs and spices in their meals that promote weight loss. Tracing those natural ingredients, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made using that blend that helps in effective weight loss, in the form of this powdered formula. Okinawa works on the root cause of obesity, an inflammatory protein called CRP, C-reactive protein. CRP blocks the fat-burning hormone adiponectin, which means your body won't be able to break down nutrients into energy. Okinawa works by blocking the C-reactive protein and activating the hormone that converts the food you eat to energy, instead of storing it as fat cells. It switches off CRP immediately, which in turn activates adiponectin to quickly burn belly fat. Now let's talk about the active ingredients in Okinawa. It is a mixture of various blends that work together to boost metabolism, cut cravings, support digestion, and speed up weight loss. First, vitamins and minerals blend. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains a range of vitamins and minerals at 100% of your daily value. Each scoop of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains 100% daily value of thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, and selenium. There's also 167% daily value of chromium. These vitamins and minerals are crucial for overall health and wellness and multiple bodily functions. Second, the polyphenol blend. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains a range of antioxidant polyphenol-rich plant and fruit extracts. Most of each scoop, 2,150 milligrams of 2,800 milligrams total, consists of a polyphenol blend. Key ingredients in that blend include cherry, carrot, papaya, green mango, mulberry fruit, apple, beetroot, cranberry, acai, and dozens of other fruit extracts. Third, the metabolic boosting blend. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains 465 milligrams of a metabolic boosting blend, which includes shilajit extract, ginger root, cinnamon bark extract, green tea extract, and turmeric, among other ingredients. By now, everyone knows of the health condition commonly referred to as metabolic slowdown, which is basically the slowed metabolic rate related to aging. The idea behind the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Metabolic Boosting Blend is to activate a process known as metabolic regeneration. Fourth, the Digestive Support Blend. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains 100 milligrams of a digestive support blend. Like a digestion supplement, this blend contains inulin from organic blue agave. Inulin supports healthy digestion, it can reduce bloating and digestive discomfort. Inulin can also switch off cravings for high-calorie foods, and is considered effective in improving weight loss, as it directly targets visceral fat. In addition to inulin, the digestive support blend also includes probiotics like Bacillus infantis, Bifidobacterium longum, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, and Lactobacillus acidophilus. So what about the dose? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powder you simply mix with water to make a delicious tonic. As recommended by doctors, the ideal dosage is to take 1 scoop, 2,800 milligrams, of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement around 1 hour after a light breakfast or before 10 in the morning every day. A single bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement will last you 30 days. However, do not exceed the daily recommended dosage, as Okinawa formula is designed with the perfect ratio of ingredients required for the body, and excessive amounts may cause discomfort. Now let's talk about the things you'll get along with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. First, the 21-day Flat Belly Manual. This is a digital guide that you will get as a free bonus along with purchasing Okinawa Flat Belly supplements. This digital guide includes a 3-week belly fat burning system and also provides tips that support your weight loss goals. Apart from all these, 21-day Flat Belly Manual reveals how intermittent fasting helps to lose weight and how stress hormones makes you obese. Second, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Drinks. This is also a digital guide that you will get as a free bonus. It includes recipes of smoothies that help you to lessen C-reactive protein, recipes of Zen berry tea, and a wake-up smoothie. Third, Quick Start Nutrition Plan. This is a digital guide that provides a proper nutrition plan for the Okinawa Flat Belly supplement users. Quick Start Nutrition Plan provides guidance on healthy weight loss and teaches you about protein-rich foods like eggs, beef, chicken, fish, olive oil, quinoa, sweet potato, coconut oil, and black beans. Fourth, 100 fat-burning recipes. It is also a digital guide that teaches you hundreds of recipes that helps you in your weight loss journey. It features food items like vegetarian lasagna, fire-roasted bacon meatloaf, and jalapeno Dijon. And finally, energy-boosting smoothies. This digital guide teaches you some recipes of energy-boosting smoothies. It includes green protein smoothies and the pumpkin oat seed smoothie. This guide provides recipes of around 20 perfect smoothies. So finally, how much does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic cost? As per a new special offer, you can now get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement at discounted rates. A single bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, or a 30-day supply of the supplement now costs just $69 and a small shipping fee. But you can get even bigger discounts if you choose to purchase one of the multi-bottle packages. The 180-day supply of 6 bottles of Okinawa comes at a total price of $294, which means you get each bottle for as low as $49. On the other hand, the 90-day supply of 3 bottles of Okinawa will cost you a total of $177, which means you will be paying just $59 for each bottle. These 2 packages offer you the best value, since it is recommended that you use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement for at least 2 to 3 months for the best results. And they also offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. For more information about Okinawa, you'll find a link in the description where you can learn more and read the reviews of people who use this product.